Okay, Simon, the big dog. Simon, sit. Simon, sit. Simon, sit. Sit. Look how big he is. Oh my god. Oh my. Simon, sit. Ah, grabe naman yan. Ang laki. Ang laki mo naman, Simon. Grabe. Simon, ang laki. Tignan mo, ang laki niyan. Oh, pero sobrang bait. Simon. Simon. His name is Simon. Simon, yung aso ko. Bahala siya dyan. Cuddle ko muna to siya. Si Simon. So dog park is like a heaven for a dog lover. Because you get to pet different dogs. Yes. Wow, Simon. Okay. Thank you. Uwi na nga dapat sila. Pero yung owner sabi, sige lang, mag-video ka lang dyan. Sabihin mo sa akin pag tapos ka na. And they're so nice. They're so nice. They're so nice. Okay. He loves cuddle. He loves. I will compare you to, Simon to my dog. Koda, come here. Come here.